Hello and welcome back to Fabricmate Systems, Tips and Techniques, where we teach you how to put fabric on the wall and ceiling. Today's topic is going to be the Max Line. You've seen some other segments where we install the Max Line on concrete. Today's video we're going to go over how to install it on drywall. Drywall is obviously the popular and most common wall treatment or wall backing out there. So we're going to go ahead and get busy in just a minute and show you how easy it is to install with a simple drill and pocket holes that are already pre-done. So let's get busy. So what we're going to be doing here is a little demonstration on the drywall behind us here. This is going to be on one of the simpler applications, which is the top load 2-inch. Again, pocket holes are pre-done in all of the profiles. This is a 2-inch system we're going to be putting up today. You can also get it in 3-inch, 4-inch, 5-inch, 6-inch. We can do it in any kind of dimension, any kind of height there for special applications. These sticks come in 5-foot lengths. Here what you're seeing is the pocket holes just being loaded in to make it a little easier for the application. Again, this is a small demonstration panel, only about a 1.5 foot. So when they come to you, they're pre-drilled with pocket holes conveniently. Screws provided. These are not your normal drywall screws. These are an extra coarse screw for better gripping into the gypsum drywall surface. Here you're going to see a little demo of liquid nail construction adhesive. This is more common on concrete. So here we're going to go ahead and drive the screws into the pocket hole. You can see fast and easy. So again, just continue finishing off each pocket hole screw for a nice tight fit. Again, you saw this first piece going up with a bead of liquid nail on the back of it. So now we're going to just work our way around. Again, this is just for demonstration purposes. So you can see here the left side was put up. You're going to go ahead and follow your pattern, whether it's a chalk line or a pencil line on the wall, or it could be one of our templates that we have that gives you a pattern. So again, you can see fast and easy with the drill bit, pre-drilled pocket holes, and coarse screws. They're going to come to you about every 6 to 8 inches. These are a little closer here just for the purpose of demonstration, but they're automatically put in about 6 to 8 inches for your convenience. So again, all you're going to need is a drill with this product here. They're great for doing 4x4 boxes, say in a home theater or restaurant, church, lecture halls. You can just do smaller panels, or you can go ahead and do complete long bands with intermediate joints where both fabrics are going into one. Really just there to bring that 1/4 inch or that, the 1/2 inch classic line brought out to the depth that you want, whether it's 2-inch all the way up to 6-inch. So here you can see the box is done, that fast and easy. So now you're just going to simply switch over to installing the backing. Here we're going to be using the 2-inch Recore product. It gives you the maximum absorption for sound deadening. So we're going to go ahead and back it up with just a little screw here pre-drilled into it, or preset rather. So you can see fast and easy. There's not necessarily a need to use adhesive, spray adhesive or any others when you're going on a drywall. Mechanical fasteners, these screws here, long 3-inch drywall screws, will be adequate. Again, if it's a big 4x8 panel, you probably want to put one in each corner, a couple inches in from the corner, and maybe one in the middle there. Making sure that the insulation is not sitting proud of the framework so that you don't have a visible sign of it sticking through the fabric there. So you can see fast and easy. Again, doing panels, acoustical panels, 2-inch thick and beyond. Here in home theaters, churches, restaurants, lecture halls, offices, many applications where they need to have that greater sound deadening. Now you're going to see a piece of the fabric installed. If you haven't seen it in some of the other videos, you're going to remember these techniques here. You're going to tack it on the framework first. Going around, this is the time when you're going to make sure that you have the weave the proper way, you have the fabric in the right orientation, you don't have any soiling going on in it, that kind of thing. So you're going to go ahead and tack it on. Again, this is a small demo panel, but you imagine a 30-foot long wall in a lecture hall or a conference room. Here you're going to see we're going to switch to the roller tool here for speed and ease, and go from the middle out always, as you've seen in other segments. Just go ahead and soft set that is what you're doing in here. Watching your weave. This pattern here doesn't have much of a weave, but when you have one that does, you're going to want to watch that or your pattern, making sure that you're satisfied with the way it's coming out. So here you see it's soft set all the way around. So here you're going to see the 4-in-1 tool. Here, the new tool here at Fabricmate. Again, designed to get perfect insertion there in the corners. Got a preset 45 degree, so get those in there in one good little push. So set the corners in. Again, this is a soft set. Now you make sure you have everything defined in the track. And once you have that, that's when you're going to break out your scissors. We recommend never to break your scissors out. You don't have to until you know that it's already defined into the framework, the hidden channel there in the mounting frame. So then you're going to want to come back and tackle the corners here, cut them real close at the corner. Take and strip these down. You can cut them right to the edge there or leave a little bit of salvage. We'll handle upwards of 2 inches of excess fabric in there. So again, you're going to want to take your time here. You don't want to, you've gotten to this point, you don't want to really make a mess up there with the scissors. So go ahead and trim it off all the way around. This is the time when you're seeing your finished panel completed there again, whether it's in your residential application, commercial application, could be the education market. So again, getting the corners, it's recommended usually to go ahead and finish the corners off there, get them defined a couple inches in so you can see a nice finished top load 2-inch max line application here. It'll take care of your acoustical needs in many applications. We'll be talking next in another segment about some of the other options on the max line here, some of the side load options. Those that prefer a different look. So again, just go ahead and keep your eyes on this. You're going to see the same techniques in most all of these videos when it comes to installing the fabric. Go ahead and set it first, get the corners, and once they're done, it's really just going back and either tucking, rocking, or rolling that fabric into the hidden channel. And you're going to have years of enjoyment on these panels here. They're going to give you the acoustics, the aesthetics, the wall protection as well, and of course the extra added advantage of the changeability. That's right, whenever you need to change this fabric down the road, the mounting frame and the backing stay up. All you're doing is peeling the fabric out and applying a new piece of fabric. You've seen some other segments out there where we talk about removing the fabric and replacing it. So there you have it, a completed panel. 2-inch max line, install on the wall, the backing, and the fabric. Fast and easy. So if you like what you see, go ahead and give a thumbs up. Subscribe on the bottom there. Hit that button and you'll be kept up to date on all the newest videos. And as always, we thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in another segment.